Good afternoon, everybody. Yeah, that's right, I said afternoon. But I'm at my first job of the day. Well, it should have been my first job of the day. I was leaving, well, no, I wasn't even leaving the house, 7:15 this morning. I had a phone call and, oh, that's an alternator in there, it's heavy. I had to go over to my loading shovel over in the northeast to look at it for not starting. It needed a set of batteries. Those batteries have done 15,500 hours, which I thought was pretty good. Anyway, it's ruined my day now because I was meant to do this machine first this morning and then head South Lakes and do a DX50 and another little job out there as well. One of which I couldn't have shown you anyway, so it would have made it a short video, but this job's only a 500-hour service. So we've got a box of filters that they've more than a 500-hour service, looking at that, like. Anyway, I'm going to put all these filters on this dig. So we'll get on with that. As you can see, she's full spec forestry like. Yeah, this is the one that normally has a timber harvester head on it, but it's just got a log grab on it at the moment. Oh, I tell you what, last week training, oh, unbelievable. These new machines, the Dash 9s, oh, they're nice, like. They are nice. They're a nice place for an operator to sit. They could potentially be a bit more technical to repair. However, hydraulically, I think they're a lot more simple. They're simpler. So we've got a DX230-260. We've already sort of seen those. The 260 doesn't look too dissimilar to the 230 that you've already seen on the channel. There is also DX300, 360 and DX400 coming soon, so we might not see so many of those on the channel. Possibly the 300. We'll just have to see what comes around, but they are so nice. Like in the cabin here, all of this clutter, it's all gone. Everything, you older people won't like this. Everything's controlled by a great big iPad here. You still got your jog wheel and switches. You've got push button start or key switch start, and you've got a little blister pad here for some light controls. But that's it. Really minimalist. Leather seat, which is heated and cooled, and the big headline for me is the joysticks. They are fully electric. And you can track around on your thumb wheels, you can track around on this lever. They've got all sorts of gadgetry. Because it's gone electric, there's so many more built-in features that can be achieved because it's all electric. I don't know what you're saying, what's wrong with hydraulic pipes going to your joysticks and the operator doesn't have any feel and all this carry on. I can tell you now, you don't lose the feel of the machine. I promise you, you won't. I had a go with it and it is really nice. Plus, all your sort of top tier brands, if you want, Volvo, Cat, and what was the other one? Liebherr, I think. They're all electric joysticks. They are. And look at them. It's not like they're suffering in sales for them. So yeah, I'm looking forward to them. More so just to see what the die-hard Doosan DX140LCR-5 operators think of them. So it should be good. So there's your little update about last week. I'm sorry you didn't get any videos last week. I was going to try and, well, yeah, I was going to try and get Friday afternoons working to one video, but I ended up doing air conditioning on a DL380 loading shovel. That was, well, just where I've been today actually. So there was now to show you. Now I could show you anyway. And today was almost turning out the same way. I wasn't just sure how long I'd be at that shovel this morning, but thankfully I just needed a set of batteries. Right, let's have a look. To go that way, quarter of a turn. I'm sorry this is a servicing video, but it's more of a catch-up. We'll keep it conversational. So tomorrow I am heading down to, where am I going tomorrow out? I'm going to Hillhead tomorrow. Me and Doosan Darren will be on the road at 5:30 in the morning and go and see some diggers working in a quarry. So that'll be nice, won't it? Yes, that'll be fantastic. Don't need to change this filter today, by the way. I don't. I serviced this digger off camera. It must be about 6 months ago now. So I know that I give it everything first time round because I didn't know the machine. Oh, that reminds me. Full forestry spec. I mean, look at all the extra piping going in here. Hellfire. But this is a little hydraulic pump, believe it or not. It's like a starter motor. That's a little gear pump. And you can refill your hydraulic oil through the pump. It's clever, that, isn't it? I mean, forestry people must lose a lot of oil because I know the forwarders and proper harvesters have that function too. Right, come on out, let's get on. What do I need first? Bib and braces. It's a bib and braces day. It might not look it. It looks overcast and gloomy, but it's about 23 degrees. Which for a northerner like me, well, it's practically tropical. I also picked up this at the beginning of last week from the yard. Yes, this is from John. So we'll have a look in that as well. Speaking of training, I nearly forgot. I need to give a big shout out to a young lad called Thomas that watches these videos. Your dad was on the same training course as me last week. Works for Pioneer Plant. So hello Thomas, hope you're well. Hope this is a nice surprise. Apparently he doesn't miss a video. I don't know whether his dad was just saying that because he was being polite. Anyway, this is what me and your dad do when we go to work of a morning. Do stuff like this. Right, we're well underway. Engine oil's out, all the filters in here are done. I've been chatting away to the boss man here, so he's putting some gear oil into the hubs for us. What else have I got to tell you? Hillhead tomorrow. So yeah, if you come to Hillhead, well, you'll have to put it in the comments because this will go live on Tuesday night. So if you did pop and see us, put it down in the comments. It'd be nice to see. So what we'll do, because I'm off on Friday, we'll do like a standalone Hillhead video, which will be on your Thursday, and then on the weekend, whatever happens on Thursday at work will be the weekend video. And after that, hopefully everything will be resumed back to normal, and I'll get back to the 3 videos a week campaign, because I feel like I've been a bit stop-starty recently. What else can I tell you? I've not got a lot of fresh. I'll tell you what I did. So I went into the yard on Saturday afternoon and I picked up 6 Euro pallets, and I went round to Wix's and I got a big roll of damp-proof membrane, and I built my kids a big swimming pool for the back garden. I was well pleased with myself because we've got a bit of a paddling pool, but it's an inflatable one, and it's got a slow puncture, so every 3 days you have to blow it back up. It's a pain in the backside, and to replace it, it would be sort of 30 to 50 quid. And I got a roll of a bit of my time and a roll of black plastic, and oh, we had a great time, me and the 2 boys, building the paddling pool up. But it's quite deep, and therefore the water's really, really cold. So they're only in it for about 2 minutes before they come back out blue. So, sort of a win, sort of a fail, really. Okay, that's my first digger done. He's away back to his forwarding, and I'm away back up to Carlisle. I think, well, I know, I've already done 250 miles today. So I reckon I'll be another 80 miles to get home. Let's see. The phone telling me. Ooh, 79 miles to get home. Hour and a half's journey. Perfect. It's 10 past 4. Yeah, past 5. I'm happy with that. Not bad for a first day back on the tools. Technically. Yeah, I've got bitten by horsefly and all. Somewhere on here. Probably that red blotchy bit there, look. first one of the year. I hate horseflies. What are the point of horseflies? They're just the most disgusting creatures. I'm going to turn around in this farmyard rather than try and reverse out onto this road. So I'll put you down. What a nice bit of the world to work in. Lovely. Well, I'm going to get myself away home. Jump in me, I was going to say hot tub, plunge pool, cold tub. I was thinking what I could do is get like a chimney and wrap copper piping around it, and then pump the water out of it through the copper piping while the chimney is on fire, and then just let it dribble back into the pool. I wonder how long it would take to warm it. That's stage 2 of Operation Redneck Pool. I'll try and put a picture in at the end so you can see what it looks like. So yeah, thanks very much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, let me know. Click like. Look forward to the next video. It should be longer. Me and Darren will give you a guided tour of Hillhead Show, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.